everything is safe.
You're gonna have to say it again. You're gonna have to say it again.
Come on. Gods are waiting. Get it. Come on.
It's not dangerous at all. It's completely safe.
The two souls have barred themselves in open daylight for all to see and have exchanged tokens of dedication. They request vestment. You must now face the trials that await you. Head into the forest and do battle with the demons that lie there. You will need each other if you are to make it back. We will be here waiting for you. As is the Vossing decree, no one can leave this spot until the couple returns. Upon their return, they will be bossed. Now, ride! And may you both build many kingdoms in your future!
My sword is stained with the blood of the beasts! And they have been destroyed! Off to save gas mileage.